In this video, I am going to show you how you can find the F file on your Xcode projects and you can run that application directly from there after copying and putting it some saved location. So let's see how we can do this thing. So this is one of the application which I developed using Xcode. Now let's see where is the F folder after running this thing. So if you run it, it will be opened like this in the here basically. But every time we cannot open Xcode and run it, it is tedious, right? So let's see how we can find that file and then we can save it to some saved location, and then later we can directly double click over there like any other application like Final Cut Pro or Safari browser or any other file, other application to open that application. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to develop that using Xcode and we need to check whether there is any error or not. If not, then we are fine. Now we have to click this product. It will be expanded. From here we have to come this option, show build folder in Finder. We just need to click here and very shortly the Finder window will be open. Now here you will see two folders will be there, products and intermediate something is there. So what we need to do, we just need to access folders, products basically, this folder, and then we'll find like this debug, and inside this debug we just need to double click to access it. You'll find one file is there which is called .app. The other part, it will be based on this project name generally, but if you wish you can change it based on your own wish. And now this is the actual application which we developed by using this application, and if we double click over there we'll see the same application, it will be open like that. And now what you need to do, next time if we, instead of this Xcode build or run something like that, we can just come here and we can double click to open it. So it's wise idea if you try to drag and put it here, or if you put this file to some other location which we can access easily, that will be the best solution. And that's it. In this way we can easily find the app file of our Xcode project.